Hello parents, this is a brief tutorial on Compass Learning. This information was covered on the parent-teacher meeting on January 28th, and we wanted to give everybody the opportunity to see the material, so we decided to do a short tutorial that everybody can view on their own time. So basically what we would like for you to do first is you'll need to have your child's username and password handy as we get ready to log into the site. If you haven't got that information, you can obtain it from your student's teacher. So what we want to do is go to Google, and in the search bar you want to type in Compass Learning, and the very first link that appears, Compass Learning Customer Login, is what you want to select. Right underneath it, it says thelearningodyssey.com, so you'll know you're at the right link if it says that. So go ahead and click that, and then once you come to this page, you want to put in your child's username. And their password, which is going to be their date of birth. And this is pretty sensitive on the characters, so you want to make sure that you enter exactly how it appears when the teachers send it to you. In other words, if your child's birthday is 05/04/2005, then you want to make sure that you leave the zeros out and just use the single digits except for the date. Make sure you put the 4-digit date in, and also make sure that you put the slashes in the forward direction. The other thing that you'll need to do is, I've already changed it in this example, but typically when you're logging in for the first time, under school in this section it will say Odyssey. That's the default setting. You'll need to delete that and add in Franklin County. Once you have that done, just click Login, and it'll take you into the program. So from this main screen, you'll be able to navigate around the site and locate the different assignments for your child. And I'm going to go ahead and click Language Arts so you can see what it looks like. And under Language Arts, you have these sub headings. And something that you should note is in here you'll see a range of numbers, and these numbers are individual for your child based on their MAP testing. So this is the range of the score that they received. So these numbers are very important. You will be able to look at the number ranges and see where they're having more difficulty, and then go to that area and have your child spend more time in that region mastering the concepts. The other thing you can do to monitor your child's progress is to go up here to the red suitcase where it says Portfolio. If you click on that, it will show recent work and different assignments in here. And if you'll notice under the status bar, there's a paper icon, and a half-shaded text box indicates that this particular assignment was not completed. If a score of 80% or lower was given, we ask the assignment be redone. If this assignment was a quiz, you will not be able to access the assignment again. However, to redo an assignment, you can write down the code that is given after the assignment title and then close this window. So this is the code that they're referring to right here. And I think the easiest thing to do is just to highlight it, hit copy, close this, and then come down to the right hand corner where the hourglass icon is, and then paste that code, hit enter, and it will load the assignment that wasn't complete.
Do you like things that are awesome? What about things that are fun? Well, Guess what?
And then to go back to the main page, you just hit exit. And then to go back to the main home page, just hit the home page icon, and that will bring you back to this area. So that's just a brief overview of what we discussed at the meeting tonight. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Just email us or give us a call, and we'll be glad to help you out. Thank you.